Have you ever noticed that the harder you think about money, the farther it seems to slip away? Here's the surprising truth. It's not about how much you think, but what you do. In this video, I'll reveal why overthinking about money might be your biggest obstacle and show you actionable steps to turn your thoughts into wealth. You've probably heard phrases like think rich to be rich. But here's the reality. While your mindset is important, action is the real game changer. Just thinking about money won't grow your bank account. It's the steps you take that matter. Did you know 80% of self-made millionaires credit their success to disciplined habits, not wishful thinking? Take Elon Musk for instance. He didn't just imagine creating Tesla, he built systems, took risks, and acted on his ideas. Thinking too much about money can trap you in a cycle of fear. Fear of not having enough, fear of losing what you have, or fear of making the wrong decisions. This scarcity mindset keeps you stuck instead of moving forward. Imagine you're deciding whether to invest in your education or save every penny for a rainy day. Overthinking leads to indecision, and indecision costs you opportunities. Focus on growth instead of fear. Ask yourself, what action can I take today to improve my financial future? When you shift your mindset to possibilities, you'll naturally make better decisions. The wealthy don't leave their finances to chance. They build systems that automate their success, like savings plans, budgeting tools, and diversified investments. Automate your savings so you don't have to think about it. Set aside a percentage of your paycheck every month. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending and investments. Start small with low-risk investments like index funds and grow from there. I remember when I set up my first automated savings account. Within 6 months, I had saved more than I thought possible without stressing about it daily. Here's the ultimate wealth secret. Money flows to those who create value. The more problems you solve or the more skills you bring to the table, the more opportunities you'll attract. Let's say you're a graphic designer. Instead of competing on price, focus on delivering unique, high-value designs that clients can't find elsewhere. The more value you create, the more you can charge. Stop asking, how can I make more money? And start asking, how can I create more value? The money will follow. Are you ready to break free from the cycle of overthinking and start building real wealth? Here's your first step. Subscribe to this channel for weekly tips on money management and mindset transformation. And don't forget to download our free guide in the description below. It's packed with actionable strategies to help you create value, build systems, and grow your wealth today. Remember, wealth isn't built by chance. It's built by choice. The choice to act, to create, and to grow. Your journey to financial freedom starts with one simple decision. Make it today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's start a conversation in the comments. What's one action you'll take today to build your wealth? I'll see you in the next video.